ain't she fine? And your nigga look bogus, baby. Come boss up with a real nigga. Ooh, whiskey. Ooh, whiskey. Oh, somebody just replied to me what she said. Oh, shit. She trying to go to the sun with a guy. She trying to go to the movies with a nigga. Hey, what down, old yang? You know what I'm saying? We woo, 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 woo. I like when niggas get swerving on me. Come on now, boy, cause I know how to get over now. Don't worry, I've been doing this shit too long. Y'all don't know me, shorty. I'm really Brian from Fast and Stop Playing With Me, shorty. Come on, man, with a little bit of Vin Diesel with a tiny bit of Ro on phone. Stop playing. Y'all see that? I'll take this Corvette and take it back to the moon with me. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all didn't know I was a Martian. See you later, alligators. Y'all niggas going too slow. Bye, Ford. We get Ford. We get Ford. Mustang, whatever that did. I just be talking shit, though. Turn right here on Fat Facts. Slap, 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 slap. But yeah, we really just coolin', cruising. I ain't gonna lie, I had a long ass day today, man. A lot of money, a lot of business, a lot of talking, a lot of walking, and the day ain't even done yet. I'm probably not going to sleep till like 4 in the morning. That's how it's going. I woke up at like 5, 6 in the morning. I really probably not going to sleep till like 2, 3, 4 in the morning, probably somewhere around that. So got a lot of shit on my plate. I got videos to edit. I got more videos to record. I got videos to plan. I got a GTA server dropping. I got an app coming out. I got a clothing line in the works. I got a lot of shit. I got my rolling trays I'm about to start selling for Thoink Talk, man. I got a morning show to keep working on. I got a YouTube series that's coming, you know what I'm saying? Oh, am I supposed to turn right or left, right or left, right or left, right? We'll turn right. Right here on Sunset. I'm pretty sure it's right. If not, oh well, shit. We'll get there when we get there, goddamn. Behind the party bus, okay, party, shit. There's some hoes on that motherfucker. There's some thotties on there. Oh, they got the bumpy roll in it. There's some thotties on that motherfucker. There's some thotties on that motherfucker. Holla back. Holla back. Yeah. I'm phone out. I ain't gonna lie, I'm thinking about going to Vegas for New Year's though. But I don't know though. I think I might do something a little before New Year's type shit, you feel me? Like right after Christmas or something. Cause New Year's too, like, you know? New Year's gonna be a little too hectic. I don't really like the vibes on New Year's nights and shit like that. I don't know, niggas be tweaking, I don't know what it is. I don't know why, but like foreign girls, like real foreign girls been on my tail lately, shorty. I'm like, damn. I'm talking about not even like on some, like, you feel me? I ain't even on nothing. I'm just saying what I experienced. You feel me? Like, for real. A lot of niggas say, like, a lot of niggas be asking, like, you feel me? What the girls like? Best type of girls, boy. The best type of girls is in, nigga. Y'all really want me to tell me the best experience I ever had with a girl was a girl from France. She wasn't from Texas. She wasn't from America nowhere. She was from fucking France. Born and raised in France, nigga. The best treatment I ever had out of any girl I ever talked to, ever dealt with, ever did anything with type shit. You feel me? Real deal Holyfield shit though. I can't even make it up to you. You feel what I'm saying? It's crazy, we on Sunset while the sun sets. On photo crane, damn. In a Corvette. On photo crane. Skirt! That's not a skirt, bro. Yeah, there you go. That's a little better. Just let me get it. Can I just... Y'all, come on, man. Y'all last be acting like hoes. Y'all know what I be trying to do. Y'all know what I be trying to do. I don't know why y'all done seen this shit before. Get the fuck out of my way, slow ass folk. Fucking dorky. That motherfucker yanked on me. That motherfucker yanked on me. It yanked on me, boy. Sometimes I be underestimating this damn car. I ain't shit. Yeah. skirt on they ass real quick. Dropped my phone, picked it up, plugged it back in. I ain't tweaking about it. I'll get it to y'all real quick for y'all, man. I know y'all want it. Oh, shit. Yeah. I ain't see that lady walking across the street. You see I sped? I hit that shit, though. Have you ever felt like being somebody else? Oh, they gonna go. Okay. I thought it was our turn. I was the thirsty shit. I ain't know. My name's John. I'm a white man. That's what his ass look like. Oh, gotta get across the street. Well, I be fucking with people, man. Also, like, I ain't do nothing too crazy, folks. You know what I'm saying? That old Sunset, it might be some tweakers around here, boy. You never know where them vapors be at. Them boys. We finna slide to Beverly Hills, though. You know what I'm saying? Did all my work in Hollywood today. So we slide to Beverly Hills today. Do some vibe searching. You know what I'm saying? If you catch him a drift. Is you catching my drift? Oh, for that, boy. I'm gonna get behind folks, cause you know what I'm saying, there's only one and this nigga, it's three of them. I ain't with. LA is really like the movies though, boy. You see the white man coming out the bank with a briefcase and a BMW, he cooler. He ain't worried about shit. Finna go home to his little wife, she pretty as hell and shit. You know what I'm saying? Got a black YouTuber sliding through with a Corvette right here. You know what I'm saying? Black businessman. Black entrepreneur, oh my God. Boy, we on track for excuse me. Oh my God. 25 more businesses by the end of 2023, and we already got 8 of them. You know, so that's 28, close to 30, and I'm 25. I'm gonna be 25 next year. Stop playing, boy. By the time I got 30, I'm gonna have 25. Yes. Ooh, lamb truck, lamb talk, Lamborghini. Ooh, I'm finna listen to that shit. On my damn homie. I'm finna listen to that, boy. I ain't heard that in a minute. I gotta give my motivation for the, you know what I'm saying, for the lamb, cause that's ooh, I want that lamb bad. Oh, they shorty say lamb talk, Lamborghini. Hey, what do you say lamb talk? Lamb talk.
Punch your bad mouth. Red talk. Bring that cash out. These bitches ass out. Bag down. Body bag now. Total tag now.
Woohoo, going 85 up the Beverly Drive. Fuck it, let's go 90, shorty. Let's go 90. Yeah. Corvette talk. Fuck it, you said.
You know we gon' handle the business. Bow talk. It's that bow talk.
Cook it up, turn it up, turn it up, leave it up, give it up, niggas up, niggas write it up. Diamond go, buy it. Add it up, nigga, it's $1 million bucks. Rip it up, eat it up, ain't nobody here, bitches us on. Oh, before that grade, y'all that, but stop playing with a kid, eh? Come on, eh? No fucking count, this shit look just like GTA. God damn, God, you gonna bless me like this, God. You gonna bless us like this, God, man. God damn, God. God damn, I came a long way, boy. I live here, man. I ain't going nowhere, man. At least not for a while. I do want to live in Miami, though. I do want to live in Miami for like a year. 6 months to a year, you know what I'm saying? I want to do that. Where else I want to live? I want to live in New York too. On my dead homie, I want to live in New York for like a year. Just for like a year though. Not for too long, for the grade. Y'all got so many pretty Spanish mommies. And the vibe in New York just seemed hard. Like this shit just raw, like. You feel me? I like that hustle and bustle. I like that shit. Little while longer. The real from the fake and the fake from the flaw. Getting harder to tell them apart, and it breaks my heart. It really breaks my heart. Shit crazy though, man. I'm really sliding through Beverly Hills right now, like. If somebody came and like teleported to Beverly Hills, they would see me driving this damn car, and it's crazy, bro. It's crazy as hell, bro. Can't do nothing but thank God for real, man. Just can't even really ask for much more, but just to keep this shit going, to keep elevating, keep getting better. You know what I'm saying? Don't need the weak give up. You feel me? You lose when you give up. You don't give up, you don't lose. One day that shit gonna work. Always remember that, y'all. One day that shit gonna work on phone grade. It might be on your 40th birthday. You've been doing that shit since you was 19. But one day it's gonna work. You wanna be a millionaire by 40, or you wanna never be a millionaire? Because it's really the only two options, you feel me? And 9 times out of 10, 9.99999 times out of 10, it's gonna happen before 40 on phone grade. Y'all need to always remember that, bro. Real deal. But yeah, y'all, foreign girls been on me, like, in the DM, like, just following me out of nowhere, liking pictures. Goddamn it, saying shit to me where I be seeing them at and shit. Like, it be crazy. And I ain't even really I ain't start partying yet. Like, I ain't really started living the life I want to live. Like, it might look like it and seem like it. Damn, folk, you gonna do me like that, folk? You gonna do me like that, folk, and try to turn, folk? Pussy ass nigga. Fuck you, bro. Fuck all y'all. But it may seem like it, but I'm not living the life I want to live. I be working, bro. I be working. Like, I don't have no, my time off is this shit, like driving. Just driving with y'all, you feel me? This is my time, like my chill time, where, you know what I'm saying? That's why I'm finna get like a wrap. I'm finna just do shit to my car, cause I could just do that. But for the most part, bro, I be moving. I be working. I be in the crib. I be recording. I be somewhere else, somebody else's crib recording. I be doing this. I be doing that. I be thinking of this. I be figuring this out. I be putting this together. Then I still am a businessman at the end of the day, so I'm still the CEO of all these companies, bro. I'm really finna looking for my own CEO. I need a CEO for these people, bro. I can't do this shit. Can't do it alone, man. Oh shit, I thought you was going. Go ahead, son. Y'all ass stupid. Oh, y'all ass stupid as hell. I don't know who invented that intersection, but it's dumb as hell. It's dumb as hell. So whoever invented it need a slap on the wrist. On phone grade. Neighborhood watch, oh my gosh. You don't get no fuck by no neighborhood watch. I always used to ask, like, do you think a criminal really give a fuck about that right there? Like, what make y'all think, like, if I came over here to do something, what make you think this sign finna stop me from doing it? That's why they got masks, big dumbass nigga, gloves. You ever heard of them before? Stupid, goofy. Palm trees, palm inches, palm angels. Hey, I want my own. Ooh, a vet right there too. That bitch was hard. I like that candy, girl. That candy red on bro grade. But hey, I want my own town. I want my own neighborhood. I know that shit sound crazy to some people. I don't want my own house, folks. I want my own town so I can put palm trees in my shit and all this shit gated off with security 24/7. I'm just living like that. Me and my family just come out here, do our thug deezy on funnel grade. This side our crib on funnel grade, and you got all other type of shit over here. We got basketball courts. Don't care. I want to be stupid rich, billionaire on funnel grade, and I'm gonna get there, shorty. Watch what I tell you.